So Windows includes a setting to help you sleep better called Night Light, which we're going to take a look here. So if you go into the Start menu and go on to Settings, if you go into the System section at the top, you'll see that the first option is Display, Brightness and Colour. Now the display is normally quite bright and it's a white light, but as Windows tells us, Night Light can help you get to sleep by displaying warmer colours at night. So to switch it on, you simply have to move the slider here from off. If we click it once, it will turn to on. Now at the moment it's saying that night light is off until 9 PM. So the nice thing about this is if you don't have to keep switching it on and off, you can actually have it on a schedule. And it stays off until sunset. At the bottom here, you can choose when to turn it on. So we could set it at 8 o'clock, for example, and then click the tick and it will go there. But what we can actually do to simulate it now is if I click turn on now, it will show you that the screen actually darkens. So screens do emit the blue light and it can keep you up at night. So the night light is designed so that the colour of the screen reduces the amount of blue light that you've got. So if you are using your computer late at night, that it doesn't affect your sleep. And it will tell you on the settings that it's on until 7 AM. Until sunrise at this point. The strength bar is really handy. If we take the strength down to 0, we've got our normal screen setting. If we take it up to 100, it's as warm as it goes. Now 100 can be quite hard to use, even if it is the best for us. It is a very orange glow. 0 is having no effect, so we might as well not have it on. But a setting of around 60 to 65 is normally a nice balance between being able to see the screen and use it and also getting the benefit of reducing blue light. Of course, if you want to turn it off, you can click the turn off now button, and it now says it's off until sunset, which is 8 o'clock, which is the usual time that I've set it to come on. A quick way as well from the desktop of getting to the night light settings, if you click the start button and start typing night light, you'll see at the top to say night light in system settings, which you can click on and it will take you straight till the night light settings. If you want it to auto set sunset based on the weather, then you can enable that through the location settings by turning location services on and allowing Windows to use your location. Otherwise, you can just set it manually like we have done here between 8 PM and 7 AM or whatever your chosen times are.